Hey guys, and welcome back. So here's another portion of my no, it's not Empties, Jesus Christ. My haul and unboxing. So anyway, I picked up a few things today that I wanted to share, and then I have a number of other things that, well, it was a gift, and then something that I found today, which I think is hilarious because I've never seen this before in my life. I went to Big Lots today, and I actually haven't purchased nail polish in quite some time, so I picked up a couple colors, and I'm totally going to be using them tonight, or one of them or both, or I'm not sure. And I'm really excited. I went through a phase where I bought a lot of nail polish, and then I stopped, and then I cleared out a bunch, and then I just dealt with what I had, and then now I've been sick of it, and whatever. I wanted to try these makeup wipes. It's by, Jesus Christ, can't even read it, so bright in here. Global Beauty Care Cucumber Extract. Who's that bitch? No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I was intrigued by the cucumber. So, and the last thing that I picked up was a concealer brush by Real Techniques. I'm really excited about this. I've needed another concealer brush. Okay, so the thing that I found, we had like a bunch of cardboard sitting around. I'm kind of going through it, and in the bottom of this box, I found a, oh god, I don't even know how to say that. Well, anyway, it's a hydrating gentle cleanser. Hopefully this will be listed below. Hello, why are you, hello, there we go. So I'm excited to try that. I had no idea that it was there. It was a nice surprise. And then I have a Ziploc baggie full of samples and things from Jessica because Merry Christmas. Yeah, Christmas is still following us, guys. So I have a fragrance, and it is called Lucky Me, and it's from Maurice's. This is like really nice. I don't know how to describe it. Plus, I don't remember what it smells like because I've been keeping it away. I haven't been using this in my routine at all because I haven't filmed yet. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I will have Tim smell this and give his explanation, and that'll be in the description box below. So if you're curious, check that out. I have a couple lip colors. Let's see, this is from Bite. It's a lip crayon, Glace. Glace. No, I'm just kidding. So it's a perfect color for me. I will totally use that. I'm really excited. And then I have another one from Bite, just a regular lipstick, and it's called Chai. Really similar color, but it's slightly different. There is, ooh, another thing by Bite. Agave lip balm and an agave sugar scrub. It's just, like I said, these are just samples. But yeah, I'm definitely really excited for that. Holy shit. I have, oh my god, nope, not even gonna try. Looks like this is a foundation sample. Oh, looks like a moisturizer sample. The Essential Cream Fluid. I mean, like, I'm gonna use it, but I'm just questioning the title. I'm just like, what the heck? I have another moisturizer, Mineral Fusion Intense Hydration Face Cream. And then, let's see, what the fuck? I have two Hourglass Immaculate Liquid Powder Foundation, Mattifying Foundation samples. Liquid powder? Come on. What is that? So it's gonna make me look powdery? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll totally find this out. Let's see. Refreshing and Anti-Aging Water Cream by Tasha. I've never tried any of their products before, so I'm genuinely excited about this. I have a Mineral Fusion Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Oh yes. So excited for that. I have an eye and lip cream, anti-aging, whatever. Lots of skincare. Hello? Yeah, whatever the fuck that says. One more thing and this Ziploc bag is done. Andalou Naturals Pumpkin Honey Glycolic Mask with vitamin C complexion defense. Based off of any other videos that you may have seen of my shithole right here. I have things shifted. I have my new makeup mirror that I'm really excited about. This Conair. There's different light settings on it. I have like a new like drawer organizer thing. I'm not completely done with reorganizing yet, but it's already a start because things have shifted and I'm excited, and doing that gave me motivation to deal with this because now this can be organized and incorporated into all of that stuff. So anyway, So that's all for now, and until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing video. Not sure if this is a new one, I have no idea where I'm at. I've picked up a couple random things here and there, and I've just kind of set them aside, because I want to have at least a good handful of stuff, so I feel good when I'm filming, so it's not like, oh hey, I bought this one thing, and you know, like, I'm not gonna do that. I had an Ulta haul because there were things that I needed to have for backup. I was running low on stuff. I'm like, my foundations and stuff, because there's a few like higher end stuff that I like to have on backup, and they do last a long time, so it's not like I'm doing that all the time. Had that, and then I had to go get a red lipstick for the show that I'm in. We actually opened tonight. I just filmed a Get Ready With Me featuring this face. No, there's no lip color today. I use so much of the product during the show and change tape off on kind of thing, and they just feel raw. I have a number of things that I want to share with you today, and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. This has been a long time coming because this has been driving me nuts. So the day that I went and did the Ulta haul, I walked in and there sat the James Charles X Morphe palette that I actually filmed with today, so it still, you know, still counts. Here's the palette. Obviously I already dipped into it, and I'm sure most of you know what this looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is totally worth the hype. Obviously didn't go like super, you know, I'm not gonna show up and be in a show wearing blue fucking eyeshadow. Stay tuned for some really cool video. I have some cool video ideas with that, you know, to basically just do eyes. I'm just gonna do like an eye thing. It won't be like a full Get Ready With Me. Oh shit. My mascara was like going bad, and I'm like, oh, I can't take it anymore, so I got another new Rimmel London Volume Flash Scandalized mascara. So like when I picked it up, I didn't think anything of it. When I got home, I realized, oh hey, it comes with an eyeliner too. So Rimmel London Scandalized 24-hour wear, waterproof gel pencil. Not sure how this works, but I'm excited to try it. That will be in the first impressions. Get Ready With Me with some other things that I have. That's not going to be filmed for a while. More deodorant. I got a little 2-pack of Secret Luxe Lavender Gel. I have been wearing this shit for years, and I'll be honest with you, anytime I try something different, it doesn't work. So you know what? Stick with what you know. I got another Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub Pear and Chia Seed. Dude, this shit smells so fucking good, and I cannot wait to try it. And I've been scrubless for a couple of days because I emptied the other one a few days ago. I don't use it every day, it's like every other day. So it's definitely time to scrub. It's been a few days. Like, I've been needing to film an Empties video and the haul video so I can start using it, because I won't use the stuff until I know that it's in a video. I try to keep it as like real as possible. So I have 3 more things that I want to show you. Here's something that is pretty freaking exciting. Got the Smashbox, the original photo finish Smooth and Blur primer. And it came with a foundation sample. Shade 2.1. I have a feeling that that's not gonna work. It may be worth a shot, we'll see. Or just throw the shit on the floor, that's fine. So yeah, as you know, I've been, you know, wanting to try something that's not Becca. And it's nothing against Becca or anything, whatever. I just want to try something different, you know? I want to see if there's something else that's just as good. And then, another Urban Decay all-nighter. Gotta have this bitch on backup, because otherwise bad things could probably happen. The last thing, I think there's only one person that knows how much finding this actually means, and to some of you this might not do nothing for you, but it's the Milani Matte Finish Setting Spray. I've been looking for a Milani setting spray for probably 2 years, and I've been to like all the stores in my area, cannot find it, but there's a new Milani setup at the Ulta. So yeah, so like I found that and I'm like, fuck yeah, like I'm gonna try it. And then, you know, with me missing a friggin' setting spray, my MAC spray is like low, I'm going, oh my god, I need to hurry up and film so I can use this. Now I can. So cool. Well anyway, so that concludes this portion of my haul and unboxing video. So until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another segment of my beauty haul and unboxing. Today is March 11th. So excuse this mess, but you know what? I just got home from the gym and I went to Walgreens because I have been out of sheet masks for like ever. I have a little Walgreens haul and then a very small Avon order to show you in this segment. And as always, everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. Let's get right into it. I will start off with my Avon order. I literally have 2 things. So, and they're both like holy grail products for me. The Avon Footworks Deodorizing Foot Spray. I probably should have stocked up and got more than one can, but whatever, here we are. And then I have the Avon True Color Ideal Nude Cream Concealer. Love this stuff. Okay, let's jump into Walgreens. Sounds weird. Yeah, so like I said, I got basically all sheet masks except for one thing. I got the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Water Drop Primer in Rose. I'm gonna give this a shot, see how that goes. Primed. The rest are all sheet masks, and I'm gonna use one of them tonight. I have by OK, it's Korean Beauty, a bubble sheet mask, exfoliate and cleanse. And then again by OK, Glowing Skin Gold Dust Hydrogel Mask. I bet this one's one of the ones that like feel funny or whatever, but that's fine. This looks like a Walgreens brand, I guess. Bubbling sheet mask infused with charcoal, micro bubble foaming action. I don't know what that means, but I guess we'll find out. Studio 35 Beauty Facial Brightening Sheet Mask with fruit enzymes and bamboo extract. Smooths and illuminates, helps restore natural balance. This is probably what we're gonna go with tonight, so I'm gonna set that one aside. And then Burt's Bees Hydrating Sheet Mask with clary sage, is that a thing? Instantly moisturizes and improves skin texture. This would have been a close second, but I'm gonna go with the other one. And then by Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask. Quenches skin, deeply hydrates, leaves skin supple and hydrated. Who the fuck says supple? I mean, just saying. Well, that is all for this segment of my beauty haul and unboxing, and until the next one.